Hello, let us take the next step to understand intelligent automation. Be it on the professional or personal front, we interact with virtual agents in multiple occasions on a daily basis. Be it requesting for an operational task in the office, or booking a lunch table in your favorite restaurant, or rescheduling a flight. This trend is increasing with every passing day. If I talk about my experience, sometimes it's great to receive answers fast and precise. Other times, it is really disappointing when the virtual agent just keeps repeating the same line. Can you guess the reason behind this disappointment? Yes, it's because the chatbot responds based on a few pre-decided questions and answers fed to it, and the bot does not have the ability to answer like a human being would have. Here comes the need of an intelligent chatbot or a chatbot with conversational capability to make the interaction a pleasant one. For digital transformation in pharmacovigilance or any other business function, the conversational capability is so important to make the interaction effective and save time by answering decisively. Let us take a scenario to understand its application. The scenario is based on SOP management for pharmacovigilance activities. SOP stands for Standard Operating Procedures and is crucial for operational activities on the ground, carried out by various project and operations teams. The SOPs and work instructions are created and managed by the SOP manager through their life cycle for changes, updates, and retirement. Associates train themselves in these SOPs to discharge their duties efficiently. While the manager makes every effort to answer the queries, it is entirely person dependent. The responses may take longer time, may be inconsistent, and not cost effective. The company has to bear the resource cost as there are no other alternatives. Or is there one? Possibly yes. Can we design an automated solution for the repetitive and frequently asked questions? Let us call it as SOP bot. I'm not that good in finding fancy names, and you'll have to bear with this particular name SOP bot for the moment. Jokes apart, there arises a few further questions. Can the bot respond in a conversational style with the associates? Can it overcome the pain points like longer time to respond, inconsistent answers, and accurate decision making while answering to the questions? We have two choices. First, the bot can be a simple one and answers based on predetermined questions. In such cases, the human bot interaction can be ineffective and incomplete. The alternative can be a conversational bot. This means it would engage in a human like interaction and truly understand and respond in a way similar to the SOP manager would have. This requires the chatbot to gain some intelligence like the humans have. So, how does the bot gets its intelligence? Let us understand how the bot system works. First of all, the associates create an SOP related question in the form of speech or text. The natural language speech or text acts as an input for the logic behind the AI model. The AI model is kind of engine for the entire bot. By extracting the words, grammar, and context, the AI model understands what is being asked for. The model will try to understand the entity and the intent of the request and prepare for the dialogue between the bot and the requester. Then, based on the training of the model, responses will be created for the chatbot. The response gets fine-tuned and improved over time as the conversation increases and more data is available to the model. Finally, the bot responds to the requester and verifies if the answer given was correct or not. This helps the model learn again based on the new input provided by the requester. This entire logic is used by various platforms based on which you can build a conversational chatbot for your requirements. Some of the available platforms to build an AI chatbot are Microsoft's Bot Framework, Amazon Lex, Google's Dialogflow, and the one from the latest sensation, OpenAI's ChatGPT. To summarize, the AI technologies fuel the power to the conversational ability of the bots. Machine learning makes the bot keep learning over time. Natural language processing helps the bot understand and generate human language. And the chatbot interactive framework provides the skeleton for the interaction or the dialogue between the associate and the bot. You might be thinking, what are the steps to get started with a chatbot in my organization? This is a fair question. First and foremost, understand the use case. Next, you can reach out to the technology team to understand the platforms at your disposal and that you can use to build a chatbot on. If you do not have a platform or if you are learning as a student, you can take trial subscription from any of the platforms available. Take the basic trainings for the design and development and get started with a small POC. Upon successful completion of the proof of concept, scale it up for bigger use cases with support from your management and leadership. Now, having developed an intelligent chatbot, where do you publish it? How will the employees use it? To start with, bots can be published to the intranet or internet based websites, collaboration platforms like MS Teams, and to the mobile apps as well. By now, you might be thinking, what are the other such use cases in pharmacovigilance or in general to build an intelligent chatbot? There can be many other scenarios like interaction with patients on drug safety related matters or frequently asked questions at the organization level can be automated as well. I am sure you will have many more opportunities where an intelligent chatbot can help in automating some of these processes and activities and save time and cost for the organization. All the best, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you.